Welcome to AIStaffs. AIStaff is the world's first AI-powered full-time team of employees that you can hire for your online and offline businesses. Now, it's super easy to use AIStaffs. Once you log in, you'll be able to see all the stuffs, all the AI stuff that you have hired, all the previous conversations you have done with them. You can rename these conversations, and you can download the conversation and delete them. All conversations are encrypted end to end, so your privacy is fully secure. To use AIStaffs, it's really easy. You go into the Staffs tab, and here you can see all the staffs that you've hired and all the other different staffs that are available. We have Vic Shorts, who is a YouTube expert. We have Sarah James, she's an ad copywriter. Alex Stevens, YouTube scriptwriter. Sales copywriter by Emily. We have Adrian Clark, affiliate marketing manager. James Foley, therapist, sales coach. We have 2 sales coaches, React developer, product manager, real estate agent, lead generation specialist. We have copywriter, we have a business coach, we have an accountant, we have HR consultant, we have lead generation specialist, legal advisors, we have customer support agents, we have graphic designer, startup tech lawyer, professional salesperson. We have a chef if you need recipes. We have a tech writer to write your articles or your tutorials for you. We have a journalist if you want to roll out a press release. We have travel guide to help you build an itinerary. We have software developer. We have dating coach. We have DIY expert, done for you, do it yourself expert. We have language tutor, financial advisor, mindful coach, travel advisor, career counselor, nutritionist, product manager, life hack, life coach, startup comedian, and even a personal trainer. So we got all these staffs that you can hire in just one click. All you have to do to hire them is click on the Hire Now button and click Hire, and that's all it takes. Super easy. And then you can start chatting with them or talking to them one-on-one, just like you would talk to Siri or Alexa. So let me show you a demo. So we have Stacy Tucker, who's our social media expert. So I want Stacy to help me write a tweet about a new pizza restaurant or a new pizza that I'm launching in my new pizza restaurant. So I create a new conversation. Now here I can type my question and talk to Stacy. I can change the output in any language. I can change her tone. I can even give her a one-click prompt, or I could just press this button and ask her directly. Hey Stacy, can you help me write a tweet promoting the new double crust pizza we just launched in our restaurant called Pizza Shop? And just like that, Tracy will start thinking and start typing a response for you, and she's going to speak back to you her response.
Of course. Here's a tweet idea for promoting the new double cross pizza at Pizza Shop. Introducing the mouth-watering double cross pizza at Pizza Shop. Experience the ultimate flavor explosion with our freshly baked crust, double cheese, and secret toppings. Hurry, this taste sensation won't last forever. Hashtag Pizza Shop, hashtag double cross pizza, hashtag pizza lovers.
Awesome. Isn't that cool? Now, I can go back and I can also chat. Now, let's say I'm trying to hire somebody or a consultant in my California office, but I need to know the legal stuff behind it. So what I can do is I can ask Candace, who is our legal advisor. So I can just chat with Candace. I can click on chat, start a new conversation, and then ask her a simple question. What are the legal considerations for hiring a new employee in California? Yeah. And let's say I speak French, right? So I want to get answer in my French language, and I send this to her. Now, Candace would double check all the information, and then